The same question would apply if I was a sales coach, which I am.
Right.
If I was providing apps, which I am, which I'm not. If I was providing insurance, which I'm not. This works for everybody, okay? Especially holds true in B2B. You be the business owner, Dave. I'm going to ask you a question, okay? You don't know the question that I'm going to ask you. I'm going to follow it up with another question, and then I'm going to show you how you can turn that corner. Hey, Dave, just out of curiosity, how many locations again do you have with the flower shop?
2 locations.
2 locations, got it. And where are you at right now in terms of top line revenue, just ballpark between both locations?
I mean, things are going well. Obviously, we do better around major holidays. We kind of suffer in between, a little bit, and we kind of really rely on Valentine's Day and Mother's Day and those major holidays where people are purchasing flowers for, loved ones.
Got it. If you lump that whole year together and we're take a guess on top line revenue between the 2 locations per year, ballpark, where are you at right now?
We're up 10% over last year.
And what's that number?
$200,000
Is that per month or for the whole year?
for the year.
Okay. And where would you like that to be?
Obviously, each year going forward, always a bit higher. So it would be great if we could add another 10% to that.
So you want to be at 220.
Sure.
Okay, so I'm going to write down here mission 220,000 because that's where we want to get you to. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Nobody's asking this, right? We're just talking about our product.
Right.
We're talking about our solution. We're talking about our service, right? What are we not talking about? What is the next where are they at right now? And what's the next financial milestone that they're trying to achieve?